So today we are going to learn the water animation. First we are going to make a plane and change this segment accordingly to get more defined water simulation. Then we are going to choose noise option from the modifier menu. And just going to change the scale and everything. Once you change the strength, you could see the difference. Here it's not, because the scale is different, it was not looking good, but once you change the scale and strength, it would look something like this, which is not really smooth. So you could choose turbo smooth from the modifier list, and it would smooth the surface just like a water in a swimming pool, or a river or something. Now we are going to make the animation effect, like the water simulation effect, like this. You could change the frequency, like how much you want and everything. Here you can see like it's not looking that great. So you could change the turbo smooth seed a bit lower, where it could be a much smoother surface than before. Here I'm just changing the frequency and everything just to get the desired water simulation. So this looks pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, you could make the water simulation surface with the noise effect. Here I'm just going to add more objects. So it could, like a swimming pool, it could float around with the water. We're making this objects, changing the radius and everything. Once we are done with that, we are then going to move on and add the dummy from the, yeah, over the object. First of all, we are going to add the dummy on this box. I'm quickly going to show you adding the dummy, and then we are going to align those dummy over the object. Yeah, so aligning the dummy or the object, and then just going to copy paste it over every object. Going to show this quick video how I did it. So once we are done with that, we are now going to change the dummy shape, like scale it accordingly. It's not important, but here I am doing it. You can do it or leave it as it is. So for animating this objects along with the waves, first we are going to choose the dummy of the object and then go to the animation menu. Once you do
Once you
open the
open
animation
the
menu, just click
animation
on
menu, just click on the constraints and select attach constraints and attach this objects with the surface, the plane, the wavy plane that we made. Now the objects move to the corner of the plane, and now we could change the positions of each of the objects wherever we want. The subject is gonna move like how the surface is. If it's at different angle, the object would be at different angle. I'm just moving the objects, quickly going to move it. So you could move the objects from the dummy option, um, like setting the parameters. Yeah. Once you are satisfied with that, we are just going to play the animation. Yeah. Thank you for watching.